In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Entourage key fob. This key fob was used between 2006 and 2009 and uses a CR2032 battery. Whether your key fob has 3 buttons, 4, 5, 6, it doesn't matter. It's the same key fob, same process, so just follow along and I promise you'll be able to change your battery in no time. The entire process is very simple. You can do it at home. If you get one of these batteries on Amazon, they're really cheap. You can get it delivered right to your door. I'll give you a link in the description if you'd like to get that. And the first step in the process is just turning to the top of the key fob where you can see there's this little slot. I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver, insert it, twist. Now, put this to the side. You can see our battery in there. Basically, you're just going to take a tool and push in on the bottom, right like that, until the battery comes free. Go ahead, take a new CR2032, make sure the positive side with the text is facing up, and slide it in the way it came, all the way to the bottom until it doesn't move anymore. And it really is that simple. All that's left to do, connect the two halves of the key fob, make sure everything's there. You can see the light turns on, that means your battery has juice and you did everything correctly. And there you go, that's all it takes. And thank you for watching.